What do you call a man who can't stand? Knee. What do you call a cop in a bed? Undercover. Get out of my house. If Michael B. Jordan, you gonna be Michael? Leave me now. My Sunday was sad, but the day before was a Saturday. Get out. Did you hear about the kidnapping? He woke up. I wore glasses to maths class because it helps with division. Delete that now. What if someone slaps you at a high frequency? Oh, it hurts. What do you call a blind cheater? A heater. He can't see. What do lawyers wear to court? Lawsuits. Don't ever trust an atom. They make up everything. I will never trust again. What's blue and not heavy? Light blue. Stop it. Stop it now. What did the fish say when it hit the wall? Damn.